Hello! Namaste! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands-on Happy Hands. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Happy hands making! Our art and craft video for today is about flower wall decoration. A beautiful quotation from John Lennon. He quoted, "Love is the flower you've got to let grow." And because of that, I was inspired to make a free verse poem about a flower. A flower. Flow your fragrance like a water of river. Light your color like a dazzling rainbow. Open your petals like a crack of dawn. Wave your body like a dancing wind. Expose your charm like a magic show. Radiate your beauty like a ray of sunshine. You have no mouth, but you can tell my story. You have no eyes, but you can see my presence. You have no ears, but you can hear my voice. You have no nose, but you can smell my aura. You have no hand, but you can touch my soul. A Flower, a poem written by Princess. Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel, Hands-on Happy Hands, with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching!